Hello viewers. Welcome to Tech Geeks for another video tutorial. Today we will discuss how to use Focus Assist on Windows 10. To do so, right-click the Notification Center icon at the right side of your taskbar. Point to Focus Assist and select Priority Only if you only want to see priority notifications, or Alarms Only if you only want to get alarms. You can also open the Action Center by clicking the Notification Center icon or pressing Windows +A, and then clicking the Focus Assist tile to toggle between Off, On, Priority Only, and On, Alarms Only. If you don't see the Focus Assist tile here, click the Expand link at the bottom of the Notification Center. You can also enable and disable Focus Assist from the Settings app. To find its settings, head to Settings, System and then to Focus Assist. At the top of the screen, select either Off, Priority Only, or Alarms Only to enable or disable Focus Assist. Now come to how to configure your priority list. You can select which apps and people have priority by clicking the Customize Your Priority List link under Priority Only on Settings to System and to then Focus Assist screen. The options under Calls, Texts, and Reminders are enabled by default and ensure you'll always see phone calls from a linked phone, incoming text messages from a linked phone, and reminders from reminder apps. The first two features require the Cortana app for your phone, and Cortana can be used for reminders as well. Under People, you can select which contacts have priority access. This uses the My People feature in Windows. By default, notifications from contacts pinned to your taskbar have priority. You can also click Add Contacts and add any contact to here. Under Apps, you can configure which apps are considered priority. You can click Add an app and add any app to this list. All notifications from apps you add to this list will have priority. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Tech Geek for more tutorials.